In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform the advanced squat activity. In order to do this, you will have to connect several devices together. Place the K-Move on the patient's thigh, along with the K-deltas. Like before, we will analyze the squats. The main difference is that thanks to the K-Move sensor, you can distinguish the concentric phase from the eccentric one. You will also have data about the squat amplitude, the depth of each squat, and most importantly, how many squats are made by your patient. Turn all the sensors on and go in the Evaluation section of the app. Select the Advanced Squats with K-deltas. You can also do this exercise with the K-force plates. Here, we will select the deltas. The app will display a short explanation of the test, the equipment you will need, the sequence, how to explain the exercise to the patient, the main data, and the clinical practice references. We are about to start the activity. All the different devices will be connected together and synchronize. The basic configuration is pre-selected, but you can modify any settings of the activity. Here, we will select 5 repetitions. The exercise is about to start. Step on the deltas and don't move. You have to calibrate the K-Move. Once the calibration is over, you can start the exercise itself. The patient will have here to do 5 squats. First, the weight is calculated, and then the test runs. Once the test is completed, the patient can step off. The tracking record appears automatically and gives information about the rhythm, the number of squats, here he did 5, the average weight distribution on the platforms, the distribution for the concentric and eccentric phases for each squat, the maximal strength of reaction on the platforms, the amplitude for each squat, the graphs to analyze the realization of the test, and the tracking of the weight distribution. The distribution of the body weight will enable us to track the exercise.